Okay, guys, today we're gonna be making Canh Chua. Let's get this prep done. Okay, we're gonna start out with a little bit of canola oil. Fry up the garlic. Wait till it gets hot. Add the garlic. You want to hear that sizzle? You gotta move around fast, guys. If you don't move around fast, it's gonna burn. Turn the heat down just a little bit. A little bit more oil. I find it a little dry. You gotta fry up the garlic, that's right. It's gonna be a topping at the end. Want to keep on moving it around so it doesn't burn, guys. Take it off when it's nice and golden. It's getting nice and golden. Okay. Okay, guys, after you fry it, it should look like this. Nice, evenly golden brown, okay? That's what you want. Oh yeah, we got some residual oil there. That's what we're gonna use. I got some finely minced garlic here. Tomato here. So finely minced tomato. We're gonna saute it. The reason why I mince a quarter tomato is because it gives that soup a little bit of a color. Once turned down, it can't too hot. More oil. And about a teaspoon of shallot. The water has like a hint of an orange color from the minced tomato. Tamarind mix. You can buy at any local Asian grocery store. If you don't have this tamarind mix, you can buy the pulp. The pulp you have to mix it with a little bit of water as well. You have to boil it out. Okay, guys, now the water is boiled. We're gonna add the ingredients in there. And I'll then first start with tomatoes. Okra. Pineapples. Elephant ear. And these we'll save it till the end because they cook very fast. Add the tamarind mix. So I put about 8 cups of water into here, and I'm using about 3/4 of the bag first. And then I'm gonna taste it, and if it needs a little more sourness, a little tanginess, I'll add some more into there. Just get in there, let it bring up to a boil. Now we're gonna add some sugar. Start out with just a tablespoon. Okay, now we're gonna taste for tanginess. Let me see. Oh yeah, that's that sourness. Yep. We're gonna season it with a little bit of salt. MSG. Just a little, not a lot. That's good. Today I'm using this brand, Squid, running low. Maybe a couple squirts. Okay, add in your bean sprouts, shrimp too. Throw it in there. The residual heat is enough to cook the shrimp. You don't want to overcook your shrimp. Get it all in there. Now I'm going to be adding the sawtooth herb and the rice patty herb. Just get a handful in there. Rice patty herbs. Save some juice to top at the end there. Mix it in. Okay, yeah. There it goes. See, now the shrimp should be almost cooked too. Just let it go for a little longer. I'm gonna throw some red chilies in there. Spice. Save the rest for dipping. This is how it should look at the end, guys. Shit's juicy.